Very good morning, friends. I'm Nandakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. You must be wondering why Nifty chart is looking like this. I have inverted the chart intentionally to show you what is happening in the market. What happened in the market is this was the bottom it made around 16th April. You can see from 16th April market rallied very hard, coming almost up to the high of the previous September 24th. Now what the market is trying to do is, here you can see in this part, you must concentrate how the market has moved. The market moved so swiftly to the upside and then with difficulty, consolidation. This was the part the market moved like anything. At that time, everybody, why market is not giving discount like that, people were thinking. They were thinking we have missed out the rally. See, this is how the market broke the structure. I am on inverted. Remember this, inverted chart. Just to see, show you how the price moved from here and cross this level, and if I put a line over here, it halted here. It halted here market, and then slowly it is coming down. Now this is the compression part. The market, there is possibility market is trying to move down. Actually, we may see some sort of correction in the market. Slow and steadily market may correct in the coming months too. Let me invert the chart. So now we are on the proper side of the chart. See, this is what the pattern happened. It is like a small hill, head and shoulder pattern. You can see it is a shoulder, it is over a shoulder. Let me zoom it out again. You can see head and shoulder pattern. This is a shoulder on the left side and peak head on the shoulder on the right side. It is neckline. Exactly, it is sitting on the neckline. There may be some pullback like this left side, little bit, and then it may break this neckline. Then the targets will be, if it is really, if it is the neckline pattern which is going to continue, the targets will be market can come down to 23,279. You may be wondered how 1,100 points from here. Yes, there may be possibility 1,100 points down move in the market. I'm not talking about on the daily analysis. Today is daily analysis. Plus, you should know what has happened in the market, why we can anticipate. This is a compression. See, if you see here, it is a compression box. Market struggled to move higher and it is back to this pavilion. And if it starts breaking below, there may be a swift down movement. I think the market will continue its down move till September, October, and September. There may be correction even in the coming months till September. We may not see respite, and this type of price action coming up, going up will be there in the market. Now, what has happened in the market is market started with the August month. You can see this was the last 31st July high and low. The market could not cross this level. It is consolidating already. Market has come to just a second. My laptop is going, power is less. Yes, I'm back. So market is consolidating below this range. See, this is the range, monthly range. If I take this, it's bring this is the range. July month, last month closing range, 31st July. And now, first, second, now already we are on the 6th first week of August. First week of August, it is a consolidation but breaking below the 31st July. You can see the lower low and it is within the range of the 31st July. The market is not moving anywhere. You can see a red bar alternating with the green bar and alternating with the red bar. So this is a sometimes you can see it as a liquidity ping pong. Something is cooking over here. Market I feel it is going to struggle because it has taken liquidity of this level from the previous day level. That is a clear indication that market is not trying to move higher. We cannot see any respite or market cannot go past this level. We cannot see any reversal very soon in the market. So the bias is negative. I feel if this head and shoulder pattern is validated, then we can see 1100 points down move in the market in the coming months, not come immediately. For the analysis today, let us go to the intraday time frame. It is a bearish close on yesterday, Tuesday, and this was the Friday's boundary. Friday was the starting of the previous week. So any move, the market could not move past this level. Any move to 24,800, we need to keenly watch. A market may pop up little bit high above 24,800, creating an illusion that it is going to go up, but it is not so. It cannot move higher. So it is facing resistance over here. Now I've come back to the intraday time frame. See, week on week, this is the Friday's level. The market came, this was the low of the Friday. Market tried to pull back. It closed as an inside day. Even yesterday, this is Monday, this is Tuesday, both are inside days, inside the range of Friday. So it's a compression. We can say it is a compression. There may be violent move above this level, above 24,743, and there is it market can go past this level or little bit higher, and then it may start reversing also. There may be a reversal in the market. Market may not hold this level, 24,524. That is my gut feeling. I'm feeling like that because of seeing the patterns and everything, market may try to go move higher. For today, the levels to watch. These are the week's levels, 11.98 or something, the calculation. The 11 daily high to be 24,800 and daily low to be 24,498. So you can see it is a engulfing pattern. Here also it is an engulfing pattern. It is repeating actually. So price took the liquidity above this level on, this is also 31st July. 31st July, it took the liquidity, it came down, and now the price is consolidating over here. And when this is an engulfing pattern, this is the high and low of the pattern, then there will be, we can anticipate for 50% of pullback. The market is doing gimmicks. If it is a bearish engulfing pattern, it is a bearish engulfing pattern. I'm picking up this tool and the 50% comes to 24,736. Market may try to move above, little bit above this level to trap the people there, to grab the liquidity over here. Why liquidity? Because the market has hit this level, time has spent around this level. 3 times it has hit this level and it has come back. And it has induced sellers into the market. Probably it may try to grab this liquidity within the area. Initially, market can move higher. In today's trade, any up move will be seen as an opportunity for selling in the market. And 24,800 is your hurdle. You need to be careful because market may show violent move today because of the compression means 2 days of inside bar within the range of Friday. A violent move above this, market has left the gap over here, it can move here, and then market can move down here like this. Movement may be like this, and it may start moving down. This may be the pattern, repeat of this engulfing pattern down move we can see here. So today you need to be careful since there are 2 days of inside bars. One is bullish inside bar, another is bearish inside bar, closing bearishly. But it has retained the low of this. So there is liquidity beneath, liquidity above. So if it grabs the liquidity above this level initially, then it is a sell and rise. If it grabs the liquidity, for example, if it comes down and grabs the liquidity like this, it is buy and dip for the current session, not for entire. I'm not doing anything for the entire session. It may be this type of movement. Suppose it may create double bottom over here. It may come down and take the liquidity, grab the liquidity. For this session, it may show this type of movement also. So if it goes below and takes the liquidity initially on the first hour, then it may be a buy and dip and to the target of 24,800. So you can play within this range. The broader range is 24,800 to 24,498. These are my analysis. This is my plan. Actually, I will wait patiently for the levels to come. If it moves higher, then I'll think about it, whether this level is acting as a barrier or market is trying to move higher, because there is also one dynamic liquidity existing above this level. Market can cross this level, creating an illusion that it may grow past this level. Even it can go up to 24,842. These are my anticipations. So let us see how the market plays. Play maybe initially maybe to the downside, or it can move higher, creating people to go long and take position, or it may move higher, grab the liquidity, and it can come down. That sort of movement can be anticipated in the market. Coming to the Bank Nifty, same thing. If I invert the chart, let me invert the chart. See, it is like a cup type of formation. If it is at the bottom, you will see it is a accumulation. So now it is at the top, reversal. So market is trying to distribute. It is also it is equal low has been formed. Any pullback, there may be pullback in the market. Straight away fall will not be there. So it has come to the immediate support. See, immediate support means from this level, if I place the cursor, this is 55,149, and the market yesterday made a low of 55,360. Probably market around this level, one pullback it can give in the bank nifty. But the longer picture is market is trying to move down. It may be any day it can come. So market on the long run, it is to the downside we can anticipate in the bank nifty. So this is a bearish move. Any up move we can anticipate for a selling opportunity in the market. Let me go to the intraday time frame and let me show the so market is coming, trying to move like that. So it can move up to 50. These are 200 period moving average and it is 20 period moving average. Any up move can lead the bank nifty to trade higher to the level of 55,696 because it is a continuous down move. There is no respite. Only here it has given a pullback. Let me measure the pullback of this pullback. So that is around 779 points. Now we get the same pullback measured move comes to the 200 period moving average. There may be a violent move in the bank nifty. We can see this type of up move in the bank nifty also. So wait and watch. You may get a very good opportunity. There may be a move in the market. You just see, even on the Nifty also, if it starts moving higher, both the things, what I anticipate dips down and moves, then there will be a 200 points up move in the Nifty and 700 points up move you can see in the bank Nifty. On a whole, both the indices may show a uh, drastic, expansion move in the expansion of price action in the on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. If it dips and moves like this, then the measured move, let me measure this move, it comes to 200 to 300 points, and Bank Nifty may give 600 to 700 points move in the on the Nifty today. You can anticipate for that. But the broader picture is not to the upside. The bias is downside. This is an intraday picture. Intraday you can anticipate for an up move like this. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. This is my analysis. This is my plan for today. But whatever the plan may be, but I'll go with the flow. I'll see how the market opens and position myself and take the trade like that. So always have patience. Do not get disturbed by any news or anything. Just see the charts and how the price proceeds. You take the trade. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.